Hi friends, this is Engineer Imran Aziz. Welcome to CivTech Simplified. Today we are presenting another important topic of civil engineering, which is transportation engineering. This would be the part 1 of this topic, and in this part we will be presenting 25 multiple choice questions which are very important for your next exam. These questions have been framed to help civil engineers like you to prepare for your competitive exams, any job interviews, and university tests. And remember, the answers would be highlighted so that you can review them at later stages. So let's get started with the today's part. Question number 1 for today is, which of the following mode has most extensive transport network? Option A is road, option B rail, option C water, option D air. Which of the following transportation mode has most extensive transport network? So option A, road is the correct answer, and road networks are most extensively developed in any of the country. Question number 2, full form of MORTH, MORTH. What is the full form of MORTH? Option A, Ministry of Rail Transport and Highways. Option B, Ministry of Road Transport and Highways. Option C, Ministry of Road Traffic and Highways. Option D, Ministry of Road, Terrain and Highways. So our Indian friends who are engineers and familiar with this terminology can send their answers in the comment as well, because this is related to India. MORTH means Ministry of Road Transport and Highways. This ministry deals at federal level regarding roads and the national highways in India. Question number 3, full form of IRC. What do you mean by IRC? Option A is Indian Rail Congress. Option B is Indo Roads Congress. Option C is Indian Roads Congress. Option D is Indian Roads Committee. So option C is the correct answer. IRC means Indian Roads Congress. Full form of CRRI. What is CRRI? Option A is Central Rail Research Institute. Option B is Central Road Research Institute. Option C is Central Road and Railway Institute. Option D is Classified Road Research Institute. So this is Central Road Research Institute in India. Option B is correct answer for this question. Then we have full form of NHA. What is meant by NHA? This is related to Pakistan, and in India it is called NHAI. But in Pakistan it is called NHA. Option A is New Highways Authority. Option B is National Heavy Authority. Option C is National Highways Authorization. Option D is National Highway Authority. So option D is the correct answer, National Highway Authority. Option C, question number 6. DGCA looks out for DGCA, Director General Civil Aviation. Option A is registration of civil aircrafts. Option B, licensing of pilots. Option C, certification of aerodromes and CNS ATM facilities. Option D, all of the above. So DG Civil Aviation looks for registration of civil aircrafts. They also issue license to the pilots, and they provide certification for the aerodromes. So option D is the correct answer for this question. DGCA looks for all these. So option D, which is all of the above, and that is the correct answer for this question. Question number 7. The basic requirement of alignment should be. How the alignment should be decided? Option A, Short, option B easy, option C safe, option D short, easy, safe and economical. So option D is the correct answer, which is short, easy, safe and as well as economical. So any alignment of the road should be short, should be easy, safe as well as economical. Option D is the correct answer for this question. Question number 8. Obligatory points through which the alignment should not pass are. What are the obligatory points through which alignment should not pass? Option A, religious places. Option B, intermediate towns. Option C, important cities. Option D, none of the above. So option A is the correct answer, which is religious places. So the religious places should be avoided while deciding any of the alignment, because uh, these are related to the emotions as well as religious affairs of the people. Option 9, question number 9. The desired lines are prepared for the study of. The desired lines are prepared for the study of option A, traffic flow, option B, speed, option C, delay, option D, accident. So the desired lines are prepared for the study of traffic flow. Option A is the correct answer for this question. Question number 10. In which of the following road patterns wastage of land is minimized? So what should be the road pattern in which land waste is minimized? Option A, block pattern. Option B, star and circular pattern. Option C, star and block pattern. Option D, hexagonal pattern. So option A is the correct answer, block pattern. So the block pattern allows maximum utilization of the land and it reduces the wastage of land use. Question 11. Mobility is highest in dash. Option A, national highway. Option B, state highway. Option C, collector road. Option D, national expressway. So the mobility is highest at national expressway. Option D is the correct answer for this question. Question number 12. Determine the correct order in which following survey and studies must be carried out. Option 1 is final location and detail survey. 2, map study. Option 3, reconnaissance study. Option 4, preliminary survey. So here are the orders in 4 options which should be followed. Option A, 1, 2, 3, 4. Option B, 4, 1, 3, 2. Option C, 2, 3, 4, 1. Option D, 3, 2, 1, 4. So C is the correct answer and the order should be 2, 3, 4 and 1. 2 is map study. It is done initially at the beginning and then a reconnaissance survey is done after map study, and number 4 is preliminary survey afterward, and finally final location and detailed survey is carried out. So C is the correct order for these activities. Question number 13. An extra tax levied on petrol from the road users to develop a road development fund is called. So what is the tax applied on petrol from the road users to develop a road development fund? Option A, Central Reserve Fund. Option B, Central Road Fund. Option C, Central Development Fund. Option D, Central Fuel Fund. So B is the correct answer, Central Road Fund. This fund is generated by applying an extra tax on the petrol, and it is used to develop the fund which is then used for the maintenance of the road as well as development of new roads. Question 14. Dash is a semi-official technical body formed in 1934 in United India. So what was the semi-official technical body responsible for roads, and that was developed in 1934 before partition of India? Option A, MORTH. Option B, IRC. Option C, CSIR. Option D, CRRI. So IRC, Indian Road Congress, was developed in 1934 in United India, and that is the semi-official technical body responsible for the roads. 15. Which of the following study is focused on revenue generation from highway projects? Which of the following study is focused on revenue generation from highway projects? Option A, financial study. Option B, economical study. Option C, visibility study. Option D is feasibility study. So economic study is the correct answer, which is B. So this study is focused on revenue generation from highway projects. Question 16. A new road should be aligned very carefully, as improper alignment would result in increase in option A, construction cost, option B, maintenance cost, option C, vehicle operation cost, option D, all of the above. So all these are the drawbacks of the ill alignment or improper alignment. So option D is the correct answer for this question, which is all of the above. Question 17. The factors which control the highway alignment are factors which controls the highway alignment are option A, obligatory points, option B, economics, option C, traffic, option D, all of the above. So all these are the factors which control the highway alignment. So D is the correct answer. Question 18. A soil is considered as a coarse grain if it retains more than dash in a sieve of 75 microns. Option A is 90% of the soil is retained. Option B, 70% of the soil is retained. Option C, 50% of the soil is retained. Option D, 20% of the soil is retained. So a soil is considered as coarse grain if it retains more than 50% of the soil in a sieve of 75 microns. So option C is the correct answer for this question. 19. In the soil classification, M stands for. What does M stands for in soil classification? Option A, clay. Option B, silt. Option C, sand. Option D, gravel. So M stands for silt. Option B is the correct answer. In the soil classification, C stands for option A, clay. What does C stands for? Option A, clay. Option B, silt. Option C, sand. Option D, gravel. So C is clay. Option A is the correct answer. In the soil classification, S stands for option A, clay. Option B, silt. Option C, sand. Option D, gravel. So S stands for sand. Option C is the correct answer for this question. In the soil classification, G stands for option A is clay, option B is silt, option C is sand, option D is gravel. So G for gravel, G stands for gravel. Question number 23. Full form of CBR test on soil is, what does CBR mean? Option A, California bearing reading, California bearing retention, central bearing ratio, California bearing ratio. So CBR test stands for California bearing ratio. Option D is the correct answer for this question. Then we have question number 24. CBR test used in which type of pavement? CBR test would be used for which sort of pavement? Option A, bituminous pavement. Option B, flexible pavement. Option C, asphalt pavement. So all of these are the correct answer. Option D is the correct answer for this question, which is all of the above. So CBR, it is used in case of flexible pavement or the bitumen pavement or asphalt pavement. So option D is the correct answer for this question. 25. For most of the cases in CBR test, when the CBR value decreases, penetration value will. For most of the cases in CBR test, when the CBR value decreases, penetration value will, option A, decrease, option B, increases, option C, remain same, option D, did not, depends on. So for the cases in CBR test, when the CBR value decreases, the penetration value will also increase. Option B is the correct answer for this question. So this was the last question. Thank you very much for watching our video and supporting this channel. You have completed part 1 of the Transportation Engineering MCQ series. These were fully solved MCQs and these were shared just to prepare yourself for the upcoming exams. Our videos are perfect for professional engineers, fresh engineers, and any engineer who is preparing for the public job or any of the test for Publishers Commission, whether it is at province level or at the federal level. And these videos are also good to go for the people who are preparing themselves for SSC, JE, RRB in India, or any of the state or federal level exam in India and Bangladesh. You can refer to this channel at YouTube as well as Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok through CivTech Simplified. So thank you very much for watching and supporting this channel. Please subscribe and share it with your friends. Goodbye.